green. This light is right there is the light.
There we go.
It'll stay on. It'll blink on and off as we go. Okay, that's the rear valve. Where's the other valve? So you got RR and RL.
Rear right, rear left.
Damn, you are smart.
Been practicing.
Not smart ass. Smart.
So yeah, we're opening up the exhaust ports a little bit. The seats, opening up the seats and the exhaust ports, and then square porting the intake.
Okay, we did the screwed up valve there, so this screwed up here should be closed. These are totally different angles for whatever reason. Not sure why. So clean the guide out a little bit. Okay, so now we need to do 15 adapters because nothing's made to fit this vehicle. See how close that one is? Because it's pretty close to this side. Because remember, it's way off from that side. So this one had to go down a little bit, and I could go up a little bit on this direction. Now these heads took 2 over valve guides, so they're got some issues. And one was what, a 4.5 over? Okay, so this one needs to go down, I think. Nope. Nope. It gets worse each time I hit it. Doesn't matter which direction I go. That's good, huh? We'll probably run into we don't have enough movement here to make things zero out. I'm going to have to slot my table out more, I guess. Alright, that's good that way. That looks pretty damn even to me. Okay, that adapter comes out. Okay, first thing we do is bore the throat out. So it takes this one. So this one took, let's see, which one did we use? We used this one, I think. Adapter. Second adapter. It might look like a broken guide, but it's not. It's an adapter.
It's definitely broken. My old broken guide.
Let's see. I think I had a spring, the side of a spring on this one. That'll work.
Time for the magic.
Make it binding a little bit. There it goes. Make sure the center's pretty good. So that weight it held down is a big cut. Right on center.
How much material being removed.
Obviously better on the other side. What you're looking at here is twice as big on TV. So, see.
Smoked.
Okay, that was the first cut. Oh, I broke the guide. Oh, damn. Put this over there. Okay.
Cut through the seat. Now it's starting to tear into some aluminum.
Okay, now you can see how much we cut. It's a nice big circle all the way around. Looks like a valve seat. So now we gotta get rid of that nasty stuff. So now we have a special made cutter here. That gets rid of that one. There's a nice parabolic, fancy ass curve that hand ground in there. You can see how much I cut the cutter away to clear everything.
We call it the cheat port.
Well, I had to go inside of small ports. It's made for smaller than this. It goes down to like 950 or something. So now we're going to pour out the throat of the port. Stop. Is that bound up in there?
Spring.
Damn. Don't need to do that. No, it wasn't the spring. It was just tight on the shaft. You're not supposed to put lube on this stuff. There we go. We'll go all the way down the bottom of the guy, which is way down there. That's how far we can go, see? Back it off a little bit.
That's not good.
That was a fucking $300 cutter we just broke. Well, we're done doing this job for now. Snapped it.
Snap the cutter.
Broke the pilot off. I don't give a shit about the cutter. We're missing something. A pilot. That's the problem with these solid carbide cutters, pilots. They don't take any bending. I don't know why that spring got in it. The other one didn't do that. But, oh well. It got in there, went sideways, and snapped it. Oh well. So much for this job. We're down for a few days, or a week.
Oh, I don't have a week.
Well, you got a pilot?
Where'd I get it? Marshall's?
Yeah, I wish. All right, we'll be back.